Get ready to kick off the adventure of a lifetime in New York, where the hustle and bustle of city life seamlessly transform into an absolute vacation at Harrington Housing Fidi Student Accommodation. Nestled on John Street, Harrington Housing Fidi offers a delightful selection of fully furnished shared apartments, adorned with contemporary interiors, creating a stylish and functional haven for living and studying. Each room is a thoughtfully curated space featuring a plush full bed, charming bookshelf, dedicated study desk, wardrobe, ample storage space, and a personal TV. Dive into a world of convenience with additional property perks like Wi-Fi internet, a fully equipped gym, a washer, dryer, and a co-working space, all seamlessly included in the rent, covering Wi-Fi, water, heating, and electricity. Conveniently located near prestigious institutions like Brooklyn Law School and New York University, Harrington Housing Fidi stands as a preferred choice among students. On the way back from classes, indulge in the savory delights of Shake Shack, Fulton Transit, CTR Manhattan, or Pret a Manger. And for those who enjoy green spaces, nearby parks like Brooklyn Bridge Park and Squibb Park provide a breath of fresh air. Navigation through the city is a breeze thanks to the Water Street John Street bus station and Fulton Street train station, both just a leisurely 2-minute walk away. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on your New York adventure by securing your stay at Harrington Housing Fidi through emberstudent.com.